In this video, we will show you how to get started with the MoticNet software from a teacher's perspective. Once you have completed the setup, you will learn how to create an interactive class and how to use the main software tools included in MoticNet. Let's get started. First, locate the MoticNet icon on your desktop and double-click to run the software. A new window will appear. Simply click on Yes to continue. As a teacher, you can create a new class or choose one previously saved. To create a new one, first enter the class name. Then, enter the teacher's name below or choose one from the drop-down menu. Finally, in the lab name field, you can assign a title to your lab or practice. For example, you can use a date or a topic. In our case, we type test as an example. Please remember to choose a clear and representative name because this name will affect future practice names. Once this is done, click on Login to enter the MoticNet software. At the top of the screen, you will see the main menu. From here, you can access different options and tools. Most of these options can be fixed into the toolbar above for faster access. The MoticNet is designed mainly for education, so all menus and tools are adapted for teaching environments. You can personalize the toolbar at any time. To do this, go to System and select Button Settings. Select the tools you want to display by moving them to Show buttons above. Only the tools placed here will appear in the toolbar. As a teacher, this personalized toolbar contains all the key functions to manage your classroom. Let's take a look at the main options. By clicking on Archive, you can see the folder where files from the current and past class sessions are saved and available at any time. This is especially useful for teachers. From here, you can access all images and practices from each student. All files are automatically organized into individual folders. From the Teaching option, the teacher can control what students see. By clicking on Forced, the teacher shares their screen in real time with all connected student devices. The teacher has full control of the displayed image. To stop sharing the screen, simply click on Cancel at any moment. Lab Mode is one of the most important functions of the MoticNet software. Here, the teacher can create a specific practice such as an exercise or an exam. You can also access practices created in previous sessions. To create a new practice, first assign a lab name. By default, this name is the same one selected at the beginning, but you can change it at any time. Next, define the number of steps for the practice by selecting a number from the list. Then, fill in each step with a short note describing what the student must do. Once finished, click on OK. The defined steps will appear automatically, organized into different tabs. In these step tabs, you will see separate windows for each connected device, supporting up to 64 students at the same time. From here, the teacher can review, evaluate, and send real-time comments as each step is completed. From the Measure menu, you can perform measurements using different tools such as lines, circles, or polygons. Before taking any measurement, each objective must be calibrated. Otherwise, the measurement results will not be correct. For calibration, please check our dedicated video on our YouTube channel. Once calibrated, remember to select the objective you want to use from the list before measuring. From Capture and Record, you can access several options. You can choose auto or manual capture for still images, as well as video or screen recording. From the capture and recording settings, You can adjust parameters such as file format or storage location for images and videos. By clicking on Compare, you can choose between two-way or four-way comparison. This function allows you to compare live or captured images with previously saved images. You just need to locate the files on your computer and import them into the software. The MoticNet system includes several interactive tools to enable real-time communication between teachers and students. Here, you will find 4 different tabs. In the Teacher Image tab, you can see the live image from the teacher's microscope. By right-clicking on the image, you can draw, capture images, record video, or take measurements. On the right side of the screen, you will find image adjustment controls such as exposure, gain, and contrast. From here, you can also force the teaching demo. In the Micro Image tab, images from all connected student microscopes are displayed in real time. By double-clicking on any image, it will open in full-screen view. By right-clicking and selecting Device Properties, the teacher can adjust image settings for each student individually or apply the same settings to all microscopes at once. In certain classroom situations, you may want to use one of the following 2 options. In the chat section, teachers and students can exchange messages at any time during the session, and all conversations are automatically saved. And from the Student Screen section, the teacher can view all student tablet screens in real time. Both can be useful additional options to include in your teaching process. As you can see, the MoticNet digital solution is a powerful tool to digitize your microscopy classroom and enhance interaction between teachers and students. Thanks for watching.